Alright, let's get this problem. The gravitational force between the first mass, which is 1000 kilograms, and the second mass, which is 6 times 10 to the 30th power kilograms, is 69.10 raised to the power of 10 newtons. So what is the distance between them? Okay, so when it says gravitational force, it is talking about Newton's universal law of gravitation, which states that every object in the universe attracts each other with a mutual force that is directly proportional between the product of their masses and inverse square proportional to the distance between their centers. I don't know if I worded that right, but that is what the universal law of gravitation says, which is formulated by Isaac Newton. Okay, so since we already have the values of the mass and as well as the gravitational force, what's missing is the distance, which is, expressed in meters. Okay, so let's then proceed to try to solve this using algebra. So eliminate the fraction by multiplying both sides of the equation by d squared. So we get d squared multiplied by fg is equals to g m sub 1 m sub 2. So we move fg to the other side of the equation, and then we take the square roots to eliminate the exponent. So therefore we have d squared is equals to the square roots of g m sub 1 m sub 2 all over fg. So plugging in these values, we have d is equals to the square roots of 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 multiplied by 1000, 6 times 10 to the 30, and the gravitational force, which is 69 times 10 to the 10th newtons. So we use a calculator for this one, and it should solve for us the value of d. And that is our answer.